Hi, good morning. Mya Cleaning Services. My name is Jose Mejia with Triple J Digital Marketing, and I spoke with you this morning. And as promised, here's your website audit video. So I'm going to be showing you 3 things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Now, oftentimes in the world with the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their business, and they don't learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is they don't know who's an expert and who's not. So I found by giving away this free attack plan of actual things they can do to impact their business, a lot of businesses take this information and do it themselves, but some call me back and have me do it for them. If by the end of this video you like what you heard and seen the things I can help your business with, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free attack plan for yourself, that works for me as well. So now let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time. So the first thing I want to cover is content. So your website here, I see that it's very well built, a lot of nice pictures, very nice content as well. And when I mean content, when it shows content, we're talking about words on the website. I like it. I like the way it's set up here with the Google reviews on the bottom as well. But if we go to word counter and we count all the words in your website, you're ranking at, you have a total of about 962 words. Now if we go to your local competitor here, Mary Maids, marymaids.com, it shows me here for their word count is 562, so it's very beatable. Now, you guys need at least 1,500 words to be optimized with Google. Now Google loves content and websites, and I already showed you the number of your word count and your competitors as well. So again, very beatable. In addition to this, the more content you have, the more you look like an expert in Google's eyes. So you'll want to beat out your competitors. Now, if they have 1,000 words, so you want to have 1,500, and so on. Now, when we're going to be going into Ahrefs, this is a paid service that I have, but there's other free tools online that can help you get this information as well. Now, I use it to research websites, and Google is looking for keywords, and these keywords are for what the site should be found for. Now, if you have the exact words, in this case would be cleaning services or cleaning services Los Angeles, and listed in multiple times on your site, then you're going to be really relevant for that search, and Google is going to be willing to put you higher in the results. Now, we're taking a look at all your keywords here. You guys have about 722 keywords, and the top ranking keyword for your site. It's taking a little bit slow. It's cleaning services California. And there's cleaning services in California as well. You are ranking high on that as well. And you just want to make sure that you guys have these keywords on your site also. And if we take a look at your competitor has 86,800 keywords. And also what we would do is we would implement new content into your website along with the proper keywords that they have. Obviously, we would not use Mary Maids, we would use cleaning services or house cleaning services as well. So you guys can start ranking on those keywords also. Now, the second thing I want to cover with you is another important aspect to Google: backlinks and URL and DR ratings. Now, going back into my program here, the UR rating shows how powerful your website is. You take a look at here. And then here for yourself is 18 out of 100. Now, the DR rating is a trust rating, 34 out of 100. So you guys are ranking high on this one. And this is how much Google trusts your website. If you take a look at your competitors here, Mary Maids has 72 trust level and 33 of the strength of their site. So an important way of raising these numbers is through backlinks, which we can see over here. Their backlinks is 153,000, but they only have 6,000 referring domains. These are the domains that give power to your website. Here you only have 743, and referring domains 141. But we can easily go into their backlink list and just copy and paste what they have here and add it to your website as well. Now, a backlink is essentially like a shout out or an endorsement from another website. With this program, you can actually see what links they have, and it's literally like a popularity contest where the website with the most backlinks wins people. However, not all links are created equal, so it's worth noting that backlinks need to be relevant to your industry, and local websites work best. Now, moving on to the next visible section is a third important item. I'm going to be showing you here. This would be the Google Map Pack. I went ahead and did a Google search for the phrase that I was looking for, Cleaning Services Los Angeles. This Google Map Pack shows the top 3 list of the businesses for cleaning services. Now, some things that you can do to get listed here is to have a Google Business Profile or GBP. 2, fill out as much as possible, your name, number, hours, photos, etc. And 3, put your name, address, and phone number into as many relevant directories as possible. These are called citations. Now, a citation is anywhere your business name, phone number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google Business Profile or GBP. Citations can help you rank in this map pack here, which is extremely important to local businesses since these can generate huge amounts of revenue. Citations are included in directories, online directories like Yelp, Angie's List, Expertise, Better Business Bureaus, and 100 others that you may have heard. Now, social media accounts are great too. The idea is that your site begins to be found by Google all over the internet. The larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you, and once Google sees you more often than these competitors, the more likely it is for you to rank above your competition. Now, the websites here below are called the organics. You also want to be listed in the top 3 so the most amount of people will find you. Now, in closing, it looks like if you were to get more content and keywords on your site, increase your UR and DR ratings, and get some high quality backlinks and citations, you could be bringing in a lot more calls, and you would start to outgrow your competitors online as well. Now, I'm not sure what your margins are, but I imagine that this will generate some decent revenue with more traffic. So this is what I do for a living, and I hope this video was helpful, and I really appreciate hearing your thoughts or questions. Now, if you do find yourself wanting more to continue scaling as far as you want, feel free to reach out and I can help you with some information, or we can talk about your goals. And I can do a little bit of research to find out exactly what could be realistic for your business and what it might take to reach those goals. Again, my name is Jose Mejia with Triple J Digital Marketing. Feel free to reach out. Thanks so much for watching, and I really hope this helps you. Have a great day.